Hey guys, this is the Vans unboxing, and here you can see is the normal Vans box with the Vans logo, and just to say it's since 1966. As you can see on here it says colours, which is the vintage brown estate blue and is a size 6. And yeah, and that's the shape of the shoe as well. So let's go ahead and go through the box. It's standard, just flip up with a little tab there, and as usual Vans plastic film. And here we have Vans. Now as you can see, they are dirty because I've bought them second hand, but they were cheaper that way, and they fit nicely into the box. Just pull them out, and then here you can see there's not that much space because average shoe size is shoe box is about 2 times bigger than this. But inside the box it just has the sizes, and that's it really. And oh, I forgot to show you, on the bottom it just has sizes of the Vans and all sorts, and the box is recyclable, and it has the Facebook, Twitter, MySpace and all sorts. Right, thanks for watching guys, and make sure you subscribe to the button down here, and make sure you hit the like down here. And if you have any comments or any unboxings that you want me to do, then please do give me comments or subscribe to my channel. Right, thanks guys, bye.